everyone, and welcome back to another Empties and mini reviews. I have quite a few products stashed back that I want to share little thoughts and tidbits and little mini reviews on. So let's just jump right in. The Scotty's tissues, always purchase these. They now carry these at Walmart for $1.26 also, if you're wondering. It is a smaller box than you can buy at the DollarTree. Usually these are about 175 count. I believe the ones at Walmart were 128. These tissues do just fine. I will continue to repurchase them. Sure Fresh freezer bags, 20 in here, which isn't a terrible deal. These are heavy duty. They have a double zipper, and I always use these for divvying up my large packs of meat. They are quart size, and I love these bags. They are affordable, they do what they're supposed to, and I've had no faults with them. The aluminum foil, 40 square feet from DollarTree. I have a love-hate relationship with this. Sometimes it works out, and right now it's working out. The row hasn't messed up. The only thing is it's kind of thin, so it will tear easily, and the row can get messed up. That's like my biggest complaint. But for leftovers and covering pans and pan lining, yeah, works fantastic for what it's supposed to do, unless it tears. The aluminum foil sheets, 30 count. Love these. I continue to repurchase these. I like them for pan lining. 150 count straws. These were good. They're just basic plastic straws. If you are still buying plastic straws, the DollarTree is definitely the place to get them. For 150 straws for $1.25, not a bad deal. I saved a couple of these paper towels, trash, because I like their paper towels. I like the custom sizes, which I think you can do with pretty much any paper towel you buy now. But still, you can choose your size. I always just rip the one off. But what I liked about this time, bonus deal, both of these are the bonus deals, and they're 176 count paper towels. Now, I highly recommend, if you find the 176 count paper towel at your local Dollar Tree, definitely pick it up. It's a good deal. This is a bonus size. 176 count. They lasted forever. Sure Fresh bowl covers. Repurchased these many times. My only setback with these now is that they come in a smaller size than they used to. So you get 17. You get 4 small, 7 medium, and 6 large bowl covers. And these are great for $1.25. You really cannot beat this deal. I use these all the time to cover leftovers and stuff, and they just work amazing. Love them. And if you're not covering up anything, you know, that's messy or going to get on the bow cover itself, then you can reuse them. They have a good elastic band on them for $1.25. And then this trash here is like a placeholder, just so I can throw up a picture. But these came from Shein. I love these sponges at first. They are the gray and white sponges with the scrub pad too, that I hauled a long while ago. This was a 20 pack of sponges, which I was elated about. But over time using them, I thought they worked really good at first, but then they just break down very easily, faster than the Dollar General or Dollar Tree sponges that are only $1. I don't think in the future I'm going to repurchase these unless it's a really good deal like it was before. It was like 86 cents for like 20 sponges, which is a good deal, but they don't last near as long. They fall apart very quickly, so I was a little bummed about that. The first few times you use them, they do a great job. The scrub pad is great, but then the sponge just starts to break down. You know, I'm still on the fence. Like, if there's a sale, maybe to stock up my cabinet, but if they're not on sale, I'm not going to purchase them again. More kitchen items. I have this Spick and Span antibacterial cleaner, 16 fluid ounces. It's in the fresh citrus scent. I buy this Spick and Span. I repurchase this many times. I love it for my kitchen countertops, and it works great for all of those things. I love this. We'll continue to repurchase it. The only thing is, sometimes the nozzles, they tear up, and not only do they tear up, sometimes they leak. like the product will continue to come out of it. So I did have to rehouse some of this spick and span in a totally different bottle. And that's why I recommend always carrying or keeping an extra empty cleaning bottle in your cabinet also for purchasing this. So next up, I have these Good and Clean disinfectant wipes. These are the lemon scent 30 wipes. This was the bonus size, and I have found these upwards of 36 count at the Dollar General versus DollarTree, but they come in the plastic like tab pull up and pull your wipe out kind of deal, not a hard container. All the killings, all the viruses, and I just kind of get my disinfectant wipes and I kind of carry them. I store them under the kitchen sink, and then I carry them from room to room when I need them in other rooms, like the bathroom and stuff. These are always a good deal in my opinion. They work great, and I love them for disinfecting. So next up, I have the Palmolive Ultra Strength, and this is the 70 fluid ounce bottle. So a refill bottle, and I just refill my little dish soap dispenser. I use this bottle. It lasted, I want to say this lasted from April or March or April till it might have been the beginning of August. This filled up that little container 9 times, 8 or 9 times, and I think this was upwards of $9–10. I'll continue to repurchase this because I've been in this mindset of bulk purchasing for a while. Like I'll buy 2 or 3 items instead of just one when I go out, and just stock my cabinet. And then whenever my cabinet gets low, I go and do the same thing and just continue to stock my cabinet, because I prefer to go out as less as possible outside of taking Connor to school and picking him up. And I do the same thing with groceries. I'll buy 2 weeks, 3 weeks of groceries at a time. Outside of like obviously needing to go back from time to time and grab milk or eggs or fruit, you know, stuff like that. Little filler stuff. But like meat and complete cabinet stocks, yeah, I love being completely stocked up. So yeah, I'm going to continue to do that. I love this. This is my favorite Palmolive now. It really does cut through grease so quickly, and it's the best dish soap I've ever used personally. I do love the blueberry one, but it does not cut grease near as good as the Ultra Strength. Now onto the laundry items. Swaddle Complete, and this does 12 small loads, soothing lavender scent. Love this. I talk about this all the time. Stain removal, it works. I have a 9-year-old. I love using this with his clothes. This works. It does. It not only smells good, but it has color protection, fewer wrinkles, softening and freshness, and easier stain removal. And it helps. It works. This stuff is awesome. This lavender one and the waterfall one, top notch. And I can never find the waterfall one, but that's why I always have this one. But so good, so good. Highly recommend this one. Also highly recommend this LA's Totally Awesome 2-in-1 laundry detergent plus the fabric softener. It says it does 21 loads, but I do large loads, so I'll need 2 capfuls, so I get about 10 loads out of each one of these. This is a 42 fluid ounce container in the fresh scent. This stuff gets our clothes clean. It smells good. I do pair it with Scent Booster, and it does what it's supposed to do for $1.25. Honestly, I can't beat it, and I enjoy using this detergent. Okay, and the last and final item I have to share with you is LA's Totally Awesome Rain Fresh Laundry Detergent, and it has Stain Lifter, 42 fluid ounces, and it says it does 21 loads, so once again about 10 loads or so, 10 or 11 loads out of these bottles. The scent of this one deters me from this one. It's so loud and obnoxious, and I hate the way it smells. I do have another backup, and I am going to use it, But I do not like this scent over the fresh scent. This is a much softer scent, but you can still smell it for a long while on your clothes, even after they've been hanging up for a while. This Rain Fresh one is just really loud. It's so loud. It's headache loud, and I cannot stand it. It does smell fresh, but it's just so loud. Even Connor doesn't like smelling it in his clothes after they've obviously been dried and hung up and all that stuff. He will mention the scent. Like, he can tell that we use something else. And he's 9. So, I don't know. I don't think, after I use the backup, I don't think I'm going to be repurchasing this scent unless that's the only one the Dollar Tree has that day. Like, I'm always going to repurchase the fresh. This one is just so obnoxiously loud and scent. Other than that, it does work great. It does clean the clothes. It does get them clean. I haven't experienced much with the stain lifter, to be honest, but cleaning your clothes, it works. So yeah, that was my empties today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, found the reviews helpful, and maybe try out some of these products for yourselves. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. And stay tuned for more videos like these.